Well, I'd like to respond to these inquiries which have been launched. Is it right to assume that we know anything about the possibility of medias that pertain to a certain iconoclastic sense of the artiste? In 1732, the tizzles brazings the sizzles. It's flattering. Why do I use it? Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. What am I saying? No, I am Barbra Hemsworth. I'm 37 years old. I'm the founder of the Institute of Incisional Quantitative Leaps in the Mind Gaps, and I really want to bring to you a dissertation on who this person is that is speaking. Because before we start any qualms or inquiries into the nature and life of time, we really must ask, is it? And can it? And won't it? Surprisingly enough, in 1377, James Galscar really did see that the carnation that he bought for his wife on December 30th, 7101, did not become its own budding existence of challenging thoughts, interceding at their own criminalization, but the soma body incisors grew and bit down on their own length of time as a perceived notion of quality and clarity. Hopscotch, dangling a large object in front of an audience, summoning a queef, Cheez-Its on rice, feral animals talking to each other in hushed tones before the television set which flickers its own cartoonesque ideologies of news reports, harrowing heroism, fundamental blubber. These are just some of the poetic languages on the tip of Dominique's real essay on human nature. So why do we think? Why do we think? It's a booger on the plane of existence. Language is a booger on the plane of existence. I've said this many times. Smoke cigar that falls in between her legs and hits the pavement and doesn't only shatter but breaks into a million shards, which, if paused, the universe would smell like nicotine. Hayworth is not a big deal in certain planets. Okay. This is the tone I use more after we've gone to the hotel bar and we are in our room, my room, and this is the kind of hushed tone I use when I'm in the hotel room. And I know you want to kiss me, sir, but please, I want to go slow because I'm a sensitive girl. I'm a sensitive girl. But I like it. But I don't. But I do, but I don't. Daddy issues. I can intellectualize anything except kisses. Except kisses. Oh, the intelligent ones are always the most polyamorous. Oh, you doggy. And then, ouch, ouch, no. No. Oh, Mr. General. Oh, Mr. General. Right, and then after that, we just kind of descend back into the foyer, have a martini, I'll pull down my miniskirt and be presentable again for the head officers. Stop it, we're at a meeting. We're at a meeting. That is very unprofessional of you. That is very unprofessional of you. Oh, am I going to have to set boundaries here? Greybund? Greybund and I going to have to set boundaries here? Am I going to have to set boundaries here? Am I going to have to set... You are such a Latin kisser. Your tongue knows Latin. Dead language. And death is the most romantic gesture. I'm gonna have to write an email to your secretary in code. Just be with me. Just be with me, Bruce. Bruce Levski. Bruce Levski. So this novel. I'm gonna throw up because knowledge. This novel is a narrative leap in my own existence. I'm losing the voice. Ariel. Okay. I'm sorry. Starlog 768. Let's put this in the time capsule and let it float into the Riviera of its own special Milky Way sauce. All right, bye now. I love you, kids. Gillette, can you please stop drawing on your mother's antique table? It's really cute, but we really think construction paper is a better medium.